Welcome everyone, Eugene Hughes Motorized. Take a look at this here. This is a brand new product from Himiway, the B3 Foldable Commuter e-bike. Yes, it's an e-bike. You get to ride it around, feel the wind in your hair, and you get up to 20 miles an hour and 70 miles of range. This is a serious e-bike, boys and girls, and you're going to have fun riding it. This here could be a great solution for your urban commuting needs, okay? You got the little rack on the back. You can put a bigger rack on it. You've got some options. The foldable nature of this bike means you can stow it anywhere and you can take it along with you on a lot of mass transit solutions. So if you want to take a bus or a train and then ride the bike the rest of the way and save a lot of money, you can do that. The 500 watt motor will get you up to 20 miles an hour. The 48 volt 15 amp hour battery will get you up to 70 miles of range, okay? So you're not going to be limited by some little puny e-bike. This is a serious bike, okay? Take a look at the 7-speed Shimano drive system on it. It has a torque sensor built into it, and that torque sensor senses how hard you're pedaling. It gives you a smoother ride as opposed to the cheaper e-bikes that utilize a cadence sensor in it, and you just start pedaling and it zaps the motor and it gives you a little bit more of a jerky ride with the cadence sensor. The torque sensor is a lot more smoother ride, okay? It's a lot more fun. You've got a full-featured e-bike, front and rear, disc brake. You've got a headlight, tail light, brake light. Weighs about 60 pounds. You can put it in the back of a car. You can stow it in a closet. It fits anywhere, okay? With the 500 watt motor, it'll handle up to 300 pounds of rider and cargo weight, 70 miles of range. If you're interested, check the link down below. Some of the first buyers of this bike here will get an extra battery for free shipping. You get a 2-year warranty. There's a 15-day no-hassle return policy, so there's a 0% chance you're going to be sitting around with buyer's remorse. There's a huge network of e-bike service centers that Himiway works with. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe. Thanks for watching.